There's an ease to life in Tetherow. Fresh air, big skies, and days shaped by the mountains. Whether you're out exploring or relaxing at home, the pace just feels right. That feeling carries naturally into this single-level home along the 13th Fairway of Tetherow, where Mount Bachelor is framed by the tall ponderosas, and the setting feels both grounded and inspiring. Let's go in and take a look. Inside, the kitchen brings everyone together with Cambria surfaces, Dacor double ovens, a 6-burner range, and a Sub-Zero, all opening to a bright great room designed for easy gathering. Two bedrooms plus an office or optional third bedroom offer flexibility, while a temperature-controlled wine room and a covered outdoor space with a built-in barbecue make hosting effortless. The primary suite offers a quiet retreat at the end of the day, and the oversized 3-car garage has space for all the Ben gear that keeps life fun. With Earth Advantage Gold certification, low-maintenance landscaping, and quick access to trails, golf, dining, and downtown Bend, this home brings together comfort, convenience, and the relaxed rhythm of Tetherow living. Call us today for your private showing.